Hello.
And then ask them to, did you hit share?
Yeah, it's sharing right now.
Okay, so yeah.
So hopefully everyone can see this. My name is John Bourne. I made a Instagram instant sharing website. Basically, what it does is if you upload any of your pictures into a folder on your desktop, it will automatically post it to your Instagram account. To take that a little bit further, I coupled it with GPT-2, and if no one's familiar with that, it is kind of complicated, but it is a large transformer-based model with 1.5 billion parameters, and it was trained by OpenAI, and it was so complicated that they didn't actually want to release it to the public because it could, with a prompt, randomly output a paper, much. To get those outputs, I used Google Colab, which, if you're not familiar with that, is basically a Python notebook in the cloud created by Google, and it allows you to access to GPUs and TPUs, and you can train it. So quickly, I will just run this in the background with this prompt here. TensorRandos Instagram feed quickly went viral. This meme word was soon pulling in 6 digits as an influencer, and we'll see what it outputs. Here is the Instagram account, and it's basically could be anything. It could be what you're interested in. It could be whatever. You give the prompts to it, and everything is created on the fly. So the idea being if this one doesn't stick, I'll create 1,000 other ones and see what happens. But it takes trending topics and prompts GPT-2 for outputs. It's a random collection of TensorFlow created musings. Here's just a few of the ones that I've made. The prompts are in the bottom. They're branded. They take free and open source pictures from the cloud and put words on top of them with the Python image library. And to give you an example of that, a little bit live here, we'll see if it works. It's processing now. It says there might have been a problem. But there it pops up with a TK Kinter, where you can put in your own little headlines. You don't really need to. But this is a good way to take 1,000 pictures, put them in a folder, prompt them, and they can you can put them on a timeline where you spit them out once every day, once every other day, for years in advance. So you never even have to monitor it. It just sits there. And Insta add your followers, all of the above. Does this work for Twitter too? Not yet. But there's a bunch of them.
Drive Sam, one of your 2 followers.
Yes, I have 2 followers. So if anyone wants to join, it's at TensorRandos on Instagram.
Maybe we can link you up with the spam folks.
And just to see if it actually posted, well, there's more. It's never ending with these posts. I spammed myself. Well, we might have to Control C out of here. Well, the thing is that I posted like 30 different things that will be spit out over the next 2 months. But if I run it again, I believe it will see that I have more to post. Anyway, it works, and to prove it, here is the Google Colab for the TensorRandos Instagram feed, quickly went viral. It's me more was soon pulling in 6 digits. Here's the prompt that it spit out. Pull this to the side. They get pretty funny. At the end of the year, in the first year, Meetingware was generating more than 1.5 million in revenue. The team worked hard to build out their business, but they felt that this is only reaching a fraction of demand for their product. My brother and I are at this bar in Austin, Texas. I was just so excited to talk to them about what we're doing to show them some of our products. It's so it's on topic a little bit, but it tends to run to tell stories, and you can change the variety in what you see. But pay attention to TensorRandos and the 1,000 other Instagram posts that I will be creating, Instagram feeds, and see which ones stick. So, any questions? Thank you.
Just remember us when you're rich and famous.
I know, right?